Our dealerships and current accounts love NuVinAir because we've eliminated the odor objection before buyers get on the lot. So if we can find it ahead of time and they can fix it, it's going to cost them a lot less by doing it in front of that appointment or that customer coming on their lot, rather than trying to save the deal with a heat case at the sales table and doing WEOs or hoping to not have that person leave. You only get one chance at that first impression with your customer, and dealerships spend hundreds of dollars trying to get that customer into their door. The last thing they need is a reason for the customer to leave the dealership and not buy that car. So what we do is we make all of their appointments impactful. We grab their appointment sheet ahead of time, we dress the cars, we prep them and make sure that they're perfect. Their offering and their product, their brand is enhanced by talking about healthy vehicles powered by NuVinAir.
NuVinAir, the future of clean driving.